Hello everyone, welcome to this beautiful day in beautiful sunny Ireland, Saturday the 12th of May. Such a gorgeous, glorious day, and today I want to remind you that life is to be enjoyed and loved and laughed and lived with no regrets, with no holding back, with a careful / careless freedom of a child, expressing ourselves free-flowingly in the flow and in the zone of the moment, cheerfully, happily, freedomfully, with no heavy resistance or attachment to or judgment of the past or life or other things. Just we can tune in and be inspired and live in the flow, and that is a matter of practice, tuning our vibration, because it is not what happens that creates our emotions, as many people think. It is our perspective, positioning, and I keep forgetting this word, is our perception and perspective that creates our emotions. It's our beliefs. So someone could spill coffee, like a cup of coffee in our shoe, someone could stand on our toe, someone could get in front of us in the line, someone could delay us in traffic, and everyone could have a potentially different response. It is our perception and perspective and beliefs about the situation that creates our emotions. So the more we become aware on the awakening journey, the more we become aware of our perspective, beliefs, and our position in relation to what happens. And what I've been doing also is becoming a better practitioner of choosing my own thoughts and deliberate focus and deliberate perspective and deliberate beliefs and specific deliberate thinking and creation of my emotions, because we create our emotions with our mind. It's the root. Our emotions are the first manifestation that we create with our mind. Our mind is our vibrational broadcaster. And how do we know what vibration we're broadcasting? We feel an emotion. And our emotions are therefore our indicator of where we are mentally and belieffully, attitudinally, perspectively. So if you want to see where you are vibrationally, look at your emotions and feel them, and then change your mind and change your perspective and change your perception. The power is within us to create our life going forward. It does not matter what happened in the past. The past only is there to teach us and to give us an experience and to help us to expand into who we truly are and who we are becoming and what we want in life. Our desires and who we are is a beautiful blossoming from our past events unfolding. It's gorgeous. So we cannot get it wrong. We'll never get it done. Life is meant to be enjoyed. We're meant to enjoy ourselves, have a holiday, have fun, play with life. Don't take things too seriously. Tune in and become a more masterful manifester of your emotions and then your inspired actions. Getting in the receptive mode is our number one agenda, and then we'll become more inspired to take care of business and do what we need to do, because we need to, because we want to, because we know we're a deliberate creator and we know what we want to create. Therefore, we want to do things that will help our life move forward. We are not the victim of our past or present. Our present is already the past by the time we talk about it. It's a constant moving forward. It does not matter as much about the manifesting or the creating the manifestation or the creation as much as it matters about the act, the creating, the manifesting, the vibrational alignment in the moment, constantly. Right now alignment is where the fun happens. It's where all the juicy goodness flows and is experienced. It's not about arriving in the future. It's not about focusing and dwelling on the past. It's about loving and enjoying and appreciating and having fun and exploring the now, creating the now, soaking up the now. Now is where we have power. The past doesn't create our vibration we create our vibration now. We are very powerful divine beings, and there's a lot to be grateful for in life. So enjoy the flow, and I hope this video helped, and don't give it a like, subscribe for new videos, give it a share, and thanks for watching, and enjoy your beautiful Saturday. Lots of love.